Good afternoon on your Friday to start the weekend. I'm Geo-Environmental Atmospheric Forecaster Andrew Fleck, and alongside me is Zachary Brisko. And as we turn our eyes to the middle half of the plains, we have a tornado watch out, and the radar is beginning to light up. Zach, what do you make of this?
Well, the reason they issued this tornado watch is because we got some very dangerous looking cells already starting to form just south of Oklahoma City into northern Texas. Some of them are starting to get the hook echoes, and also some supercells coming out of Texas will be moving into the watch area very soon. And with the wind shear the way it is right now, storms may become tornadic later today.
Very well said. And as we turn our eyes to now the satellite imagery, we have the strong wisping winds west of the highlighted area, but toward where the storms are developing is where the best convergence area is. Now looking at our meso-analysis fill, we can show you that there obviously is a dry line of some sort that is taking place just west of where these thunderstorms are occurring. And, that's the normal meteorological synopsis of how these storms do form out in the plains. The dry line just east of that where some of that high dew points and moisture sit. And of course, what we can expect as the day goes on is even some of those dew points to extend to the beginning of the Oklahoma Panhandle and as north as south central Kansas. So we will have to look more into what we can expect as we head into the evening. And Zach, what type of characteristics do you think we can have today with some of these storms?
Well, I know the National Weather Service and the Storm Prediction Center only have a slight risk out for today, but for all these parameters we've been talking about, with the CAPE indices being so high and the EHI values, we're going to say we're going to have a moderate risk today, as we believe some of these storms are going to contain some very large hail, up to possibly 3 to 3.5 inch hailstones today, and also some dangerous tornadoes could be forming across the state of Oklahoma.
Very nice. Okay, well, that concludes our very afternoon synopsis on these storms that eventually will break out to even more severe as they are now. We do ask that if you do live along the highlighted area and a watch of any sort, such as the tornado watch that has just been issued now, is for your region, please keep your eye to the sky. If a warning has been issued, severe or tornadic, please seek shelter indoors immediately. For Geo-Environmental Atmosphere, I'm Andrew Fleck and Zachary Briscoe. Have a safe afternoon.